My name is Gareth Naylor. I'm a partner at Harrison Solicitors and the head of the personal injury department. Following an accident, you should exchange particulars with the driver and report the incident to your insurers without delay. It is important that you report any accident to your insurer, and failure to do so could result in your insurance policy being invalidated. If you're involved in an accident with somebody who doesn't have insurance, you can still pursue a claim. An application should be submitted to the Motor Insurers Bureau, and they compensate victims of accidents with uninsured drivers. You can still make a claim if the accident was partially your fault. Your damages will be reduced on percentage terms in accordance with your level of culpability, i.e. if the accident was equally both parties' fault, then each party's claim will be reduced by 50%. Ordinarily, the insurer will suspend the first 2 years of your no claims bonus. However, history does dictate that insurance premiums are affected by a number of other matters, such as where you live, how many accidents you've been involved in, and how likely you are to have further accidents. So yes, an accident is likely to affect your no claims bonus. You can still claim if you've been involved in an accident with an untraced motorist. Again, this would be via the Motor Insurers Bureau. You'd simply make an application to them as a victim of an accident with an untraced driver. Again, your damages will be reduced if expert evidence suggests that your injuries could have been avoided or could have been less severe had you been wearing a seatbelt. If that's the case, then your damages is likely to be reduced by an amount in the region of 25%. These days, with the lack of police resources, there is rarely a police report actually carried out. Police reports tend to be carried out on the serious catastrophic injury cases or fatal cases. If parties can exchange particulars and go about their business, then there generally won't be a police report in any event. There are further reforms proposed in the Civil Liability Bill. These have been put back to April 2020. If they do come into force, then victims of road traffic accidents who sustain injury will receive a set amount based upon the period of pain and suffering. Now, there's a tariff being released, I think it's available online, and if you fall into one of those categories, then you will not be able to instruct a solicitor because you won't be able to recover the costs, and you will, as I say, get a fixed amount of compensation. Your individual circumstances won't be taken into account. Claims for whiplash particularly are going to be reduced, and there will be a set tariff based upon the extent of your pain and suffering. The small claims limit is also going to increase from £1,000 to £5,000, and what all that means is that you will be unable to obtain representation because you won't be able to recover the cost of such. If you would like any further information, please call 0113 284 5000 and ask for the personal injury team.